Now it's time to fold your sports tank. This one is so easy to want to toss into a drawer or just roll into a small little cylinder shape. But we're going to take some time to fold it up because, again, this is a cool, comfortable fabric but takes up little space. So I want you to look at your straps and put it face down, straighten it out. And this one just so happens to have a unibra or a second shelving bra in the inside. So you want to flatten all of that out. Again, for neat presentation, organization. Straighten, take the bottom and bring it up to the top. Press it out. And since these have the thin spaghetti straps, take time to really put those inside as well. Flatten them out. Pull and fold to the center. Now this is easy again to want to close into a tighter shape and it'll take up less space. So we're going to do a double fold here to the center and then fold to the top. And you pretty much have it. Your sports tank, nice and small, space efficient, neat, organized, tight fold.